This is the elevator at the Township Professional Building in Hara, Township, Pennsylvania. The Westinghouse MPH. One. Interior down. Kind of slow. Got one. Go up to three. Interior up. I think it's pretty fast, but the doors are really slow. I think the doors are slower in the elevator here, right? It's also a quiet chime. I think this is a Westinghouse because I don't think there's a permit number for this elevator. Back down to two. It's like in the late 80s. Oh, that actually opens. That's shocking. But there's no phone anyhow. Oh, now it got stuck. I just made it stuck. Certificate. Here's like a two. It's a basic gray laminate cab. I think I just broke the phone box. Those are pretty much always stuck anyhow, though. Yeah, I was the one who just broke it.